After all, WhatsApp is out with an awesome update called WhatsApp Payment. Let's know more about it. I am Bibit K. Matthew. Welcome to TechyStatus. We all know that WhatsApp is the #1 messenger app in the world. And here it comes with an awesome update called WhatsApp Payment. Now it's rolled out in India. If you need this update on your WhatsApp account, you will get only by invitation. Don't worry, be happy. I'm here to help you. Just contact me on my WhatsApp account. The number is given here and the description below. I will invite you and you will avail with an option called Payment in the Settings tab. After that,
how to set up WhatsApp Payment. Click on the hamburger menu on the top right side, that means the Settings tab. There you will get an option called Payment after getting an invitation. Tap on it, accept the policy and continue. Now verify your phone number and select your bank listed out there. That's all. Now the WhatsApp is connected with your bank account.
I know this video is interesting. Help others to get this WhatsApp payment invitation. For that, you just share this video to others, that means to your friends and relatives. To get the latest tech news and updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All the links are given in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.